Today I am going to make a Charkki Poori. This is one of the best recipe I have learnt in this COVID lockdown. Actually, this recipe is made out of the balanced food. Okay, so today I have my Kichadi, Rava Kichadi. I have some portions left over in the morning time, so I don't want to waste this. I have kept it in the refrigerator and I'm going to use this Kichadi for the Charkki Poori. So I'm adding the Kichadi, vegetable Kichadi, into the bowl, and over this I'm going to add the wheat flour, atta flour. So I'm going to add portion by portion. One teaspoon of Redchilly powder, 1 teaspoon of Corriander powder, maybe 1/4 teaspoon of Ajwain, Omam in Tamil, little amount of salt. I'm just going to mix it without adding the water. Without adding water, I'm just mixing this dough. I don't think water is required for my poori today because already the Kichadi has enough moist.